Hey guys, I'm Ariana. If you're new here, if you're not, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe down below before you leave, and you can go ahead and hit the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to transform a Halloween costume wig into something a little bit better. Alright, so before, I have been posting a lot of Halloween content for the month of October, and it is October 7th. Okay, so I'm super excited to be posting all of this spooky content, and I really hope that you guys enjoy it. I really don't know what's going to happen this month for Halloween because we are in a global pandemic, so I'm not sure if people are going to be doing things for Halloween, but I have the time to be posting a lot of Halloween content, so I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. So like I said, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to transform a Halloween costume wig into something that is acceptable. So I'm gonna show you guys the one that I got. So this is the Halloween wig that I bought from CVS, and it was $12.99. Okay, this is what it looks like. This is what it's supposed to look like on the package. So it is a half white and half black wig. I have a lot of plans that I have a lot of plans with this wig, and I opened it. I'm gonna put it on for you guys and show you what it looks like, so we have a little before and after moment. But yeah, I got it from CVS for $13. The wigs at Party City and Spirit Halloween are a little bit more expensive. They're like at least $20. I already know they're gonna be bad quality, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Let's do it. Okay, so this is her. All right, she's actually longer than I thought she was. In the picture, it just shows that it comes up to like her shoulders, but it's actually pretty long. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I'm not gonna put on a wig cap before. Right, so this is what it looks like. This is the top of it. It's like very much Halloween wig, and it is super long. Like, it is up to like here on my back. Pretty big. It's a big wig. It's a lot of wig for $13, I feel. But of course the quality is very, so it's actually really shiny. It looks super like fake, and the top is really, it just needs some help. So I think what I'm gonna be doing to it is, my plans for this is like kind of like a Bride of Frankenstein kind of thing, and also a Cruella de Vil look, and I will be posting that tutorial on Friday, so definitely look out for that. And I will be wearing this wig after I fix it up, but this tutorial or this video is going to be me fixing this wig up. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, where I will be posting all of the finished product pictures of my Halloween looks, and there will definitely be tutorials up on this channel as well, so don't forget to subscribe. So like I said, I'm going to kind of make it less shiny. I think I might cut it. I'm also going to get rid of this really curly curls, and I'm also going to kind of make this a little bit less choppy and less dense. The bangs a little bit more fringe looking. Hopefully it doesn't look that bad. I want them to be much thinner, but the top of the wig, and like, it's just like a mesh thing over here. And also, if I try to part it, I can't even do that because there is this like netting right here, which prevents me from even trying to part it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my wig, on my mannequin head, and we're gonna go ahead and see if I can fix this up. look. I feel like it definitely looks better than it did. It's much more floofy and fluffy. Kind of brushed out the curls, and I kind of tried to make it a little bit less shiny with using some dry shampoo, but it didn't really do anything. And these bangs look terrible, but there really wasn't much I could do with it because it was just so thick. The bangs were super thick, and I tried to shear them out a little bit and it just made it shorter, and then this is what happened. So I'm just like, I mean, it doesn't look that bad. It still looks a little wiggy, but it definitely looks better than it did before. I feel like it looks a little bit more modern, and something that someone would wear a little bit. It's kind of like the idea. I actually kind of like it. I just took some pictures with like filters on, and I think it looks kind of cute, like really close up, but like when you look at it from far away, it's just like, oh my god, what is that? So yeah, this was my attempt at fixing this wig. I feel like it looks okay when you get used to it. It's not that bad. Honestly, the part that I just hate the most are the bangs, but they just came out super choppy and there was like really nothing I could do. So this is the final look. I actually kind of like it. Alright, so let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. But yeah, this was $13. And I definitely am going to do a lot with this wig. So if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe so you can see what happens with this wig on my channel. I will be dropping the look on Friday. Alright, also follow me on my Instagram and my other social media accounts so you can see all of my Halloween creative makeup. You will definitely see this wig again. Maybe by then I will have fixed it much more. So let me know what you think about this wig. Let me know if you hate it. I won't be mad if you do because I don't know how I feel about it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, like I said, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!